For your final submission to the SSU map georeferencing assignment, you'll be submitting a Word document that contains a screenshot of the RMS errors as well as a preview of the rendered map. So the first thing we're going to need is the RMS errors. So this is going to be this box over here on the left-hand side. So as we've gone over in class, you can capture the screenshot in a very simple way by hitting the print screen button on your keyboard of your computer. So on my computer it says PRTSC. You might say something similar on your computer. There are also a lot of different kinds of applications that are free that allow you to capture the screen. In any case, you want an image of that RMS error box. So I'll hit my print screen button on my keyboard, and then I'm going to open up a Word document where I can paste this screenshot. And so once you've hit the print screen button, the image is essentially captured into the memory of the computer. So it's just waiting for you to paste it. So you can hit the paste button or Control V, and it'll put an image of your screen onto the page. We're only really interested in that, but we can leave it as it stands right now. So that's the first thing we need. We want to make sure also that it's legible. If you want to get fancy, you can click on that image and then hit the Picture Tools option at the top ribbon and then crop it so that it only focuses on that one thing. Drag the sidebars down and isolate the RMS error box. And what that allows you to do is to basically save space by only having that part of the image. You can just click outside the image and it takes hold. Again, not necessary, but it makes it easier to see. The second thing you're going to want is a screenshot of the rendered map. So when you worked in MapCruncher, you will have applied the control points, gotten to a low enough error, you'll apply the transparency, and then you're going to render the map. And once you've rendered the map and it's completed the rendering, outputting all of its results into the folder that you specified, you can preview the rendered results. So when you click on the previewed rendered results, you'll see it, and by default it throws the map onto a default roads background. What we want to do is we want to see it as using the hybrid background, which will show us both an aerial image as well as the street names, so we can get a better look at it. So I'm going to maximize my screen here so that I can zoom in closely and get a good look at it. And what I want to do is I want to get close enough so that I can see the map and kind of compare it to the surrounding streets to get a sense of how well it fits. So I'd say this is about as close as you want to get, so it fills the screen. And once it fills the screen, again we're going to use the print screen or whatever other option you're using to capture the screen. And then we're going to go back into our Word document and we're going to paste that image right there. Right? So that allows the person who does a peer review to get a good look at the map and see the quality of the georeferencing that you did, as well as to judge how well you did the transparency. So that's pretty much all you need to submit. Just make sure that, again, as with any assignment, that you put your name at the top, the date, and then assignment 3. Save it and submit that to Canvas.